Hey guys, General Mechanic right here with another quick tip. We're making this video. We were searching on the web trying to find a video about what we're doing right here. I'm gonna tell you, it took me a while to figure it out, so that's why I'm gonna share this tip. And this is about installing the window glass on the rear left door on the 2006 Cadillac DTS. As you can see, we already got it apart, so this video is only on how to install it, how to slide it in there. Like I said, it took me a while to figure it out. As you know, we ain't professionals on everything that we do, but we try to find the easier way to do it. So hopefully this video will help you. What I had to do is, at first, I was trying to get the window through the front, tilted like that, and then like you will do any other one. But the way you install this one right here is, you're gonna come from the inside. You're gonna slide the window glass almost if you were on spot on this side. You got enough clearance on that little corner right there to slide it down. So this is what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna slide it in, and just bear with me right here, trying to do this. We're gonna slide it in there, and all right, so I got it in there. You got enough clearance. See, you're not on track yet, so but at first you needed to forget about this. You needed to lower the regulator all the way down. Once you got the window sliding in, you got enough clearance to let it go all the way down, and after you got it all the way down, you are able to get it on track. You see, got it on track right there. And after that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna slide the window up, already on track. All right, so we got it in there, slid it all the way up. So you can see, on track right there, on track right here, window is installed. After you got it all the way in there, you see this little hole where the handle hooks, with the little plastic for the handle. You gotta pop that out. There's the hole for one bolt, and right here is gonna be the position for the other nut. And after we do that, we're gonna go ahead and hit the switch to go up and go ahead and bolt it down. Alright, so once you got the regulator in all the way up, the window glass is gonna slide in place, and like I told you, this is the place for the first nut. After you pop this little plastic, you're gonna have access to this right here. Then you go ahead and tie it down, not too much, don't forget it's glass, and you should be good to go. So this was a quick tip, and like I said, we made it because we were having a little hard time to install it, and so hopefully this tip will help you get the job done quicker and smarter. So if you like our video, just give it a thumbs up right there, and don't forget to subscribe for more, because we got more videos coming. Have a good day.